Duplicate a Google form for your own use or creation. Navigate to Google Forms in a web browser. Open the Google form you'd like to duplicate. Click the icon of the three dots on the top right corner of the page. A pop-up menu will appear after clicking on it. Click Make a Copy. This is the very first option in the pop-up menu. Clicking on it should open a Copy Document pop-up box. Give your duplicate form a suitable title. Choose a location to save your duplicate. By default, it's set to My Drive. If you would select this location anyways, you can skip this step. Select the Share It with the Same People option if you want. If the form you're duplicating has collaborators, selecting this option will add the collaborators of the original form to the copy. Note that this step is optional. Click Make a Copy. Once you've titled your copy and selected the saving location, click OK to save your duplicate form. You can now edit the copy as you require. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.